Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick tour of the upstairs of the barn here. So this is downstairs is where my dozer is, but up here we got these nice big, this opening's 12 by 12 I believe. These doors are a real bear to open. So this, the previous owners of my property took out a second mortgage and remodeled this. This barn was built in the 60s and it was rotting and falling apart, but they spent a lot of money on it. I've done a few mods on it. It has its own power, 200 amp power, which I did not know about. It was a separate bill until like a year after living here, and the power company said they were going to take me to collections over it. I parked my trailer in here and in this boat, which I never use. This is the family boat. But it's got power. You can see on the wall there every 8 feet or so along the whole outside. It's got lights here, and this here is a bathroom. I actually built this bathroom. I put in all this stuff here. I put the speakers in, so it's all wired for speakers. It's got Wi-Fi out here, and there's a water heater down below, so we can look in this bathroom. I went to one of those restore places where it's just recycled stuff, and I just pieced together all the wood for this. So yeah, I got a bathroom, toilet, and then a shower bath in there, which is pretty dirty right now. Here's a picture, an aerial picture of when my house was first built way back in the 90s, back when there was trees on the property. So yeah, this is the upstairs of the barn, and there's another party coming out here in 2-3 weeks, so I'm gonna have to clear all this crap out again, unfortunately. Over here there's a covered area, so I got like my backhoe attachment, tractor stuff, lawnmower. There's a child down there doing some wood splitting, it looks like. And there's my tractor. Got a sink there. That was there when I first moved here. The nice thing is these outdoor spigots up here, and then down below in the basement there's this, you ran hot and cold out to it. And these had frozen and broken, but I replaced them with PEX. So you can have hot water on the spigot outside, which is incredibly nice to have. I think originally there was a 2-story right there. There was a hayloft up above. And I think up there was a door, because when you come out, the roof line, usually they had like a crane there so you could lift stuff out. Anyway, that's the upstairs barn. Pretty cool place. I really like it. One of the reasons I bought this property, actually.